How to fix Windows 11 version 25H2 download error 0x80246019. Hello friends, if you are getting this error code when trying to install the 25H2 version, then follow the steps to fix it. First of all, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, click on Start, select Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Over here, click on Other Troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. Wait for some time to load the content. Select the problem over here. I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Click on Yes. For Can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Wait a while. Check for Windows Update errors. Check if the problem is solved. Go to the Windows Update settings. The system will start checking for updates automatically. Let the version download and install it. When Windows 11 25H2 is downloaded, install it. For this, restart your computer. If this method doesn't work, follow the all-in-one solution, clean install. This method works in almost all the cases. So perform clean install, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11, scroll down to create Windows 11 installation media section and click on download now. After downloading is completed, click on media creation tool.exe from the pop-up. For applicable notes and license terms, click on accept. On select language and edition, click on next. Check this option, ISO file, and click on next. Select a location to save the ISO and click on save. This process will download the ISO file. The time depends on the internet speed on your computer. After completion, click on finish. Right click on the downloaded ISO file. Select mount. Right click on setup.exe. Select open. For install Windows 11, click on next. For applicable notes and license terms, click on accept. On the ready to install window, click on install. Your computer will restart a few times. Wait for it. After completion, Windows 11 25H2 will be ready for you. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.